So let's see. Yeah, we're gonna do normal. And normal, a lot of times the unit will hot, whatever, it grabs whatever it wants. So we're gonna just see what it does right now. That humming is, you know, the shifter.
Yep.
And now it's gonna rotate, does what it does, and then it's gonna let some water, should let water in.
Yep.
Lid locks, yeah.
They replaced that, and then later on it came back to
Right. A little bit of water.
water. I don't know if that's supposed to be or not.
Yeah, that's pretty good. That looks good.
But watch it on another 30 seconds.
Oh, really? Wouldn't last as long? Wow. I've seen it before, though. And that's pretty much what it would do right
Is
now.
it turning?
Yeah, it's turning.
Yeah, really slow.
Yeah.
Turns, and then it does that for, like I say, several minutes until it finally times out.
Okay. All right, so since cold water turned off, now I'm gonna pause it. And I might have to restart it, but I wanna see if I can change the temperature. Pretty much about a minute it would run, and then it would turn off.
So you have water in the bottom though, right?
Mm-hmm.
You've never even got any water on the bottom.
Really?
No.
Wow.
Never enough to even show in the water.
Yeah. Okay, that's gonna go and agitate.
This has some water in
It
it.
does have some. So it looks like the machine is on hot. Like, I mean, that's not too bad of water. Usually it adds more when you have clothes in there. It does do that. You haven't changed anything on it. Okay, you did. Okay. Okay. All right, so these are what we're doing. So I'm gonna turn water back on, and I'm gonna activate these and see how they flow. Cold. I'm gonna see what we get here. disconnect this. Which is good. Ah, valves are bad. Take a look. See those cracks? So what happens when you have a cracked bad valve? My magnet is strong enough to activate. Correct. But when the power gets sent, this magnetism is not strong enough. Correct. So it starts to open and then it closes. Yeah, 100%. Whenever you see the crack, totally bad. Both of them. And this stays on.
And what are the other two? That's your mixing
These are your
ones?
mixing, yeah.
That's
So
your
they don't
mixing
get worked
to
as
go
hard.
over. Okay.
So like worst come to worst, if you had to go somewhere, I could actually pull these off, put them there and switch them. But we'll just replace the valve.
Yeah, you gotta do that.
Yeah. Now you're going to take the harness from the old valve and transfer it to the new one. Pretty straightforward. Make sure you leave the two on the end for last. Do not connect them, otherwise you'll have to take them off again. You will need to have room to insert the screws. do, cold funnel is important. So actually I'm gonna set this in the sink. Hold on tight for me. I'm just gonna run it just to make sure it's cold. So this section, you get a piece of paper towel, wipe both of the connections well, and then what you're going to do, once it's all nice and dry, you're going to get the other piece of paper towel and you're going to set it behind it, hold it for about a second or two, 3 seconds, and check to see if it's damp. If it's damp, you have a leak, tighten up your valves, and so forth. All right, I'm going to slide her in.